how to return an item that you bought on eBay. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can return and purchase item on eBay. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you have to log in. For that case, I'm using a web browser. And on the web address bar, go ahead and type in ebay.com, enter in your credential and log in into your account. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And while you're on this page, go to My eBay from the left hand side bar. And here you have this option as to sign in. And while you're on the home page, you need to go ahead and tap on My eBay from the top left hand side bar, and a drop down menu appears. And from the list, you need to go ahead and tap on Purchase History. As you press on Purchase History, you'll have all the purchase history, and under it, you'll also have the order that you've recently made. Select the specific order that you wish to return. So go ahead and select the specific order that you wish to return, and just press on it and tap the three dot icon and press the return button if there is any available. However, in some cases, the return feature is not available, which means that you'll not be able to return or refund the product. So this basically depends on the seller. So make sure before you purchase the product that go through the review and refund policy as well. So that's how you can go ahead and return an item that you've bought on eBay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.